Hello, welcome to Learning Bytes English language class. In this video, we will practice short English questions. Now, let's start the lesson. Asking for help with a task.
Can you help me with this report?
Sure, what do you need help with?
How do I format the headings in this document?
You can use the heading 1 style in the toolbar for that.
Do you know how to insert a chart in Excel?
Yes, click on the Insert tab and then select a chart.
Can you explain how to summarize this data?
Sure, we can use a pivot table to organize and summarize it.
I'm struggling with the presentation. Can you take a look?
Of course. Let's review it together and make adjustments.
Asking about deadlines.
When is the deadline for this project?
The deadline is next Friday at 5 p.m.
Can we extend the deadline if needed?
We'll need approval from the manager to extend it.
How soon do you need the draft?
I'll need the draft by tomorrow morning.
Is there any flexibility with the due date?
There might be a little flexibility, but try to submit it by the original deadline.
What happens if we miss the deadline?
We might face penalties or have to explain the delay to the client.
Can we finish the project earlier than planned?
Yes, if we work efficiently, we might complete it ahead of time.
Talking about meetings.
What time is the meeting today?
The meeting starts at 2 p.m.
Where will the meeting be held?
It will be in Conference Room B on the second floor.
Who will be attending the meeting?
All department heads and the manager will be there.
How long will the meeting last?
It's scheduled for 1 hour, but it could go a little longer.
Can I reschedule the meeting if I'm busy?
You'll need to check with the manager before rescheduling.
Will the meeting be recorded?
Yes, we'll record it for those who can't attend.
Is there an agenda for the meeting?
Yes, the agenda was sent out by email this morning.
Thank you for watching. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Try watching this lesson a few times each week and repeat the conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll become more confident in speaking English. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe.